welcome to the Tesla semi truck event. I hope you like what you see. I'm going to tell you about everything that this truck can do. One thing that we care about Tesla is we really care about performance. We want a vehicle that feels incredible, that accelerates like nothing else. Let's show what the truck, what it's like to be in a Tesla truck. This is real time. Okay. So that's the Tesla Semi will go 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Now at 80,000 pounds max gross vehicle weight, that's the most amount of weight you can carry on a U.S. highway. This is the real-time acceleration of a Tesla Semi. That on the left, the thing that looks like it's not moving is a diesel truck. Even with 80,000 pounds pulling max gross, getting 60 miles an hour in 20 seconds. That's what it can do. Now, what about up a hill? Okay, the best diesel trucks can only do 45 miles an hour up a 5% grade. Tesla Semi can do 65 miles an hour up a 5% grade. Now, one of the biggest questions we've been asked about electric trucks is, well, how far can they go? Because, well, let's find out. So, 500-mile range. But what does a 500-mile range mean? And by the way, it's 500 miles at maximum weight at highway speed. So you're doing like 60 miles an hour. That's a worst-case scenario. But what it means is that because the vast majority of routes, because the vast majority are under 250 miles, it means that you can go to your destination and back, even if your destination has no charging. You can go there and back, go there and home without recharging. So you could deliver a load out to the middle of nowhere and come back.